everything yan.
Oo nga.
Tsaka matagal namin siya hindi kinanta.
Namiss nila yung isa't isa noon.
Very beginning, I know these guys have brought you here, diba?
So, any message to your fans? Nadine?
We love you guys, sobra, alam niyo yan. Talagang, I don't know, parang ang bilis, no? Parang hindi pa rin kami makapaniwala na 1 year na, anniversary na natin. Super happy na kasi nandito kayong lahat ngayon. Tsaka yung ako nasa asot kanina, sobrang init. Kasi super.
Thank you guys. You guys just came from Asha. You guys are the best.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Hindi pa rin kayo makakawala sa OJD Challenge!
Oh! This one, according to Chad, is the most epic OJD.
Oo, meron pinadala. May pinadala si Chad para gawin yung dalawa. Ready na ba kayo, JD?
Alam ko tayo sa
I'm not part of this because Chad will get upset. So it's just you guys.
Okay, oo, wala yung pegis natin, di kumita. Okay, ito yung gagawin nyo. Do the pinky swear.
Okay.
You do the pinky swear.
Now?
Yes, now. Do the pinky swear. And do the forehead to forehead. Noo to noo. Forehead to forehead. Like this. Like this. But do that.
I got it to Chad.
Okay, do the forehead to forehead. Are you ready?
Hindi lang ito yun eh.
There's a little more than that. There's a little more than that.
Pauna pa lang yan, pauna pa lang. Do the forehead to forehead.
Can you guys count with me? 1, 2, 3.
And then, exchange promise message to each other. Ang mauuna, of course, si James. What's your promise to the team?
I was saying, hey, man, this is good.
Yeah, you can take your cards apart
Okay,
before your message.
I messaged Nadine. It's great one year. Thank you so much for doing this stuff over there. I have to promise. I promise I always be there for you. I always do a type of thing.
Okay? Nadine, what's your promise?
Okay. Well, binasa na ni James yung mind ko, pero uulitin ko na lang. Nakakainis ka, kanina ka pa. I promise to always be your partner in crime. So be consistent. Just be caring sa'yo always. Wala matagdagan na lang. Yan lang.
Okay? Kinikilig ako, grabe! Okay, okay. Oh,
You guys can
talin natin yan. Yung handshake yung dalawa.
Okay. So you guys can still do that.
And
For
then,
step 5, you can say this one.
okay. After that love handshake, James,
Wait lang, nakabahan ako.
grabe lang pa kasi ito eh.
Nakabahan ako.
James, you gonna kiss Nadine sa part na gusto mong ma-express yung nararamdaman mo. Kiss Nadine sa part na gusto nila na ma-express what they feel. Ready na? 1!
Pero sa naman kami nito, napatuloy ko muna yun.
Siyempre, dapat ko yung das. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Count! 1!
We can't go on to the next one until Nadine does it as well.
Wait lang, ano yun?
No, you have to do the same thing.
Sumilas
Yes.
pa.
No, you have to kiss James naman. Sa part that you feel.
Go to the next one.
Do you guys like that?
Gusto niyo bang i-kiss ni Nadine si James?
The part that you feel you're expressing.
Oo. Kung saan mararamdaman nila na mahal mo si James. Kung ako yan, sa lips ko talaga alitan. Eh, hindi ako si Nadine. Saan? Pinipilig ako. Outing na tayo.
With a handshake pa rin.
O, with a handshake pa rin. One!
Hey, one more. One.
In the sweetest way and heartfelt and greet each other a happy anniversary. Okay? I-hug yung isa't isa, tapos sasabihin nyo, happy just like this.
Chad! Hello, Chad!
No, tayo si Chad. I'm sorry, Chad. I'm sorry.
Love you, Nay. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? JD? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang sarap maging nag-ilustre. Happy anniversary!
My love,
In love ba kayong lahat?
Did you guys like that, JD?
And yung pang selfies nyo, ready nyo na? And don't forget how yung plastics, guys. Take it out. And, oh yeah, don't forget, para sa Opusuratic, kailan? May 13. Alright. Thank you so much, guys, and happy anniversary. Sobra, we love you so much. Thank you, guys.